Breathe Again Pail Freshener, in the buff, unscented, biocompatible is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Don't have time to wash your diapers but afraid of what's taking place in your pail? Just shake a little, or a lot, diapers in, or not, and breathe again. Breathe Again is a pail freshener designed to balance out the pH of your diaper pail. As the urea in your diapers converts to ammonia, Breathe Again helps in neutralizing it naturally while leaving behind a yummy scent. By EcoSprout, Breathe Again Pail Freshener is designed to balance the pH of the diaper pail. As urine in diapers converts to ammonia, this helps neutralize it naturally. Even if you don't have time to wash diapers as frequently as you would like, just shake a little or a lot into the diaper pail so you can breathe again. By Net WT. 12 ounces, a generous net WT of 12 ounces. Unscented Pail Freshener.